see how we can speed up or slow down our video clip inside of Filmora. So in order to do that, first of all, I'm going to drag the clip onto my timeline right here. And to speed up or slow down our video, I'm just going to right click over here. And then I'm going to go to speed and duration. Once I do that, what happens is that we can see that there's speed right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and type in the speed of 0.5. And now let's see what happens. If I were to press OK, we can see that the speed has slowed down and the clip has doubled in size because we set 0.5. So if I were to press the play button right here, you can see that it is very, very slow right here, just like this. And if I were to right click and if I were to go on to speed and duration and type in, let's say 2, and press OK, you can see that the speed is 2 times faster. So if I were to press play, you can see that the video is very fast, just like that. So you can go around into speed and duration and increase and decrease the time right here, just like this. Or if you want a specific duration of the video, the speed will adjust itself. So if I were to press something like 10 right here, and if I were to do this and press OK, what happens is that this is what happens. So the clip has been squeezed into exactly 10 seconds right here. And if I were to play it, then it'll last exactly for that duration. And that is how you can speed up or slow down any video inside of Filmora. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.